What is up guys, today we rechecking out an electric gel blaster modeled after one of the most iconic SMGs out there, the Chris Vector. Inside the box, you get the main blaster body, one magazine and a bunch of tactical extras, or as I like to call them, fun plastic junk. We've got an RGB rainbow light suppressor, a red laser sight, a tactical flashlight, and a decorative holographic sight. And you also get to USB charging cables and a pack of gel balls. Now for the star of the show, this modular battery. It has got rave reviews online for a reason, making battery swaps an absolute no-brainer. Looking at the build, it has a classic two-piece clamshell plastic construction, but it packs nylon gears inside and a metal inner barrel for extra durability. It measures 28.7 inches long and weighs around 2.4 pounds. Honestly, it feels surprisingly solid and comfortable in hand, and they even brought back all the detailed engraved markings on the body. One quick word of caution, the black area on the lower receiver is punted, so you'll want to be a bit careful during play to avoid scratches. Even with a plastic build, the functional details are impressively close to the real deal. The nylon charging handle actually pulls back and triggers the preloading feature to prime your gels. The dust cover is also fully restored and functional. The dual-sided safety and fire selector switch have a super satisfying click and tactile resistance. Up front, the flash hider is a push-fit style, which you can easily swap out for the auto-illuminating RGB suppressor. Unscrewing the outer barrel reveals the metal inner barrel underneath. And check out this folding stock, it snaps into place super tight with zero wobble. The two-piece magazine also features a bunch of cool texturing and details. Pop that modular battery in, and we're ready to roll. It offers both semi-auto and full auto fire modes, and the motor sound is clean and snappy. Let's load up some gels and hit the target range. Overall, the fit and finish are impressive, the features are rich, and the performance is super solid for this price point. Plus, you get a bucket full of fun attachments right out of the box. If you're a fan of the Vector design, this is definitely a great choice for your collection. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.